This is the lecture about Lecture 2, Modular Design. Let's talk about the background first. You can find this on the page 10 on your packet. So let's see. What modular design means, or top-down programming, is a way to break a complicated problem into parts. So modular design means when you have a big program, you are going to make lots of small modules. Let's think about the building a Lego. This is a robot. When we build this one, we probably build arms first, and another arm, then leg. Even leg has two parts. You can break down this leg into two small parts, then body, then head, then finally you combine all those small pieces. So programming is the same thing too. You can make the big structure first. So you are going to have, I'm going to make a robot. Then you are going to break it down into the small pieces. So you are going to make each part easily, and at the end, just combine all those. So we call this as a modular design. So how to do? Make it as smaller pieces or smaller tasks. Then what is good benefit of a modular design? It's easy to write. You can think about that. Start from head to toe at once would be hard, but if you make a piece by piece, arms first and legs first, each part will not be hard. So easy to write because it's a small piece. Another benefit is easy to fix. If we have the whole code in one page, when we have one error message or multiple error messages, it's hard to know which part is wrong. But if we have small pieces of the code, when you run or compile, it shows only one method has the problem. Then you're gonna just go into that method and look at only a couple of lines only, then fix it. So easy to fix. Number 3, good to work with other people. So how can I say, like a group work is possible. So instead of one person write everything, you can say, oh, A part, A do it, B part, B do it, C part, C do it, and finally you can combine at the end. So cooperative group work is possible. Because of those benefits, we highly recommend to learn you do modular design. Oh, one more thing. Number 4, easy to plan. Think about you are writing the essay. If you just start from the blah, 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 then type the whole essay at once, the quality will not be really good. But when you plan, if you think about the what's intro, what's part A, part B, part C, and conclusion before you start to write it, then think about each part separately. You may make the better structured essay. The same thing in the programming. If you plan first, then if you write the big structure first, only in the main method, then if you write down each part as a method, you can write the better programming code. Let's think about one example of modular design. This is the Lab 02 exercises number 3. So if you look at here, read an unknown number of integers from text file. So you are going to read it, so you can name the method like read or input. I can think about input, so name it as input or read. Then print out all the numbers. Oh, so I need to print, so I need output at the end. So I'm going to name it output or display my array and average. Strictly greater than the average value. The three tasks are, so I can find the average at my process of this program. So I can name it the method as find the average. To find the average, I need the input value. In this program, after I get the input, store into the array. So I'm going to pass array. So find the average. So this is one of the sample. So after you have a task, break it down into pieces, then write your big structure in the main method. Then you're going to write the details in each method.